Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to tackle this question. It's a word problem and it says in 1984, Ike was 24 years and his father was 45 years. In what year was Ike exactly his father's age? So, here is the solution to the question. Here, if you look at the question, this is 24 and this is 45. If you multiply 24 by 2, you will discover that 24 multiplied by 2, that will be 48. And 48, this is 45. That means if this age is going to be twice of this, we need to subtract something from it. And to do that, you just need to say, okay, let the number of years to be subtracted from these 2 years, let it be x, because you don't know how many years you need to subtract. Okay, let's say we have to subtract x years. Let the years to be subtracted be x. Then, if we subtract this x from this 24 years, that is x years from 24 years, that will be 24 minus x, and that must be equal to, it must be equal to half of this, right? That is half of 45 minus x2. Because you can't just say you want to subtract the years from 24 without subtracting it from 45. Because if Ek is 24 years now, if you subtract 1 year from the year of Ek, then his father too, you have to subtract that one from it. That means his father will be 44, no more 45. Do you understand this? So now, let's proceed. That means the father's age then too will now be 45 minus x. Then you have to divide it by 2 because we are looking for the year in which Ek will be exactly half of his father, and this is the age of his father now. So this must be equal to half of this 45 minus x, and that's why we are dividing it by 2. So now what you need to do is just, basic mathematics, you cross multiply or you multiply. Okay, let's just use that cross multiply. I think everybody is used to that. So you have this multiplying this, and you can say the denominator here is 1 and this will be multiplying this. So this multiplies this, right? So that means 2 is multiplying 24 minus x, and this will be equal to 1, which is multiplying 45 minus x. Now we want to open up the bracket. So you have 2 multiplied by 24, that will be 48, minus 2 multiplied by x, that will be minus 2x. That will be 1 multiplied by 45, that will be 45, and 1 multiplied by minus x, that will be minus x. So the next thing is just for you to collect the like terms. Now, if you want to collect the like terms, how do you do that? Bring the 45 here. There is 48 here before. Leave it here. Leave it there. So bring this 45 over the equal to sign. It become minus 45, and this will be, what will be left here is minus x. Leave the minus x. Take this minus 2x to go and meet it, that will become plus 20, plus 2x, right? Good. Now, when you have this, what you need to do is 48 minus 45, that's 3, right? And minus x plus 2x, just like saying minus 1 plus 2, so that will be x. That means if you subtract, we said let the years to be subtracted be x, and we have gotten the x to be 3 here. Either you say 3 equals to x, or you say x equals to 3. It's the same thing. equal to sign. So either right is equal to left or left is equal to right. It's still the same thing. You don't need to panic about that. So now we want to get the years in which the father's age will be exactly, Ike's age will be exactly half of his father's. That means we are just going to subtract 3 years from the year we are having here. Therefore, that will be 1984 minus 3. And the answer will be 1981. So, what we are saying here is that in the year 1981, Ike's age will be exactly half of his father. We might want to check that. Check. Now, we said Ike's age in 1984 equals what? 24 years, right? So if we subtract 3 from this, that means we are also subtracting 3. If we subtract 3 from this, yes, we are also subtracting 3 from this. So in 1981, Ike's age will be 21, right? Okay. The father's age in 1984 is 45 also, right? So the father's age in 1981, that will be 42, right? If you subtract 3 from it. And you can see that 21 is exactly half of 42, and hence problem solved.